Buried deep in the Nevada desert lies one of the world's most secretive and heavily guarded military bases, Area 51. For decades, this facility has been at the center of alien conspiracy theories, secret technologies, and unanswered questions. But what are they really hiding behind those high-security fences? Let's uncover the secrets of Area 51. Area 51 was established in 1955 as a testing site for cutting-edge military aircraft. The U-2 spy plane, a 12-ox cart, and other advanced technologies were developed here. But its secretive nature led to suspicions almost immediately. Why such extreme measures for aircraft testing? Or was there more happening here? In 1947, the infamous Roswell incident fueled speculation about alien life. Area 51 became linked to UFO sightings. When reports surfaced of strange objects flying over the Nevada desert, could these sightings be evidence of extraterrestrial technology being tested, or were they simply advanced military projects cloaked in secrecy? In 1989, physicist Bob Lazar claimed he worked on reverse engineering alien technology at a site near Area 51 called S4. He described a gravity-defying craft and even hinted at the existence of a mysterious element, Element 115. While skeptics dismiss his claims, many believe Lazar's story is proof of alien life being hidden in plain sight. In 2019, a Facebook event called Storm Area 51 went viral, with millions signing up to uncover the truth. Though the event turned into more of a festival, it reignited global curiosity about what's inside the base. Why would the government go to such lengths to keep this place so heavily guarded? From alien spacecraft to time travel experiments, the theories about Area 51 are endless. Could they be testing interstellar travel, housing evidence of extraterrestrial life, or perhaps concealing something even more shocking that we've yet to imagine? Despite decades of speculation, Area 51 remains an enigma. While some claim it's just a military testing ground, others believe it's the key to humanity's greatest mysteries. The truth, for now, is locked behind those guarded gates. But what do you think? Are we being kept in the dark about the secrets of Area 51? Subscribe for more unsolved mysteries, and let us know your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you want the truth to come out.